this video, this live session, so that we can also go back to, please bear with me. All right, fantastic, Sister Susan. So what is a pip? A pip stands for point in percentage. The value of a pip will differ based on the counter currency. So on this one, please bear with me. I'm going to show you a little bit of a simple mathematics. So for currency pairs in which US dollar or USD is the counter currency or listed second in the quote, the pip value or cost will often be $1 for 100K or a $10,000 account or lot of currency, which would also mean a pip value or cost of a 10 cents is equals to a 10K lot and $10 for 100K. Let me explain to you what. Okay, that's wonderful. That's wonderful. Let me now explain to you what this means. When they say a $1 for a $10,000 account, a 10K account, they are implying units of currency. Remember, we said a pip is a point in percentage. So if we on the MT4 platform, trading platform, for you to communicate with that platform, you are not going to put a $1. Yes, Mr. Rawson, you have raised the hand. You can ask, please. You have a question? Okay. So how are we going to calculate? So this means that, okay, this means that we are not going to be communicating and put maybe a $1. No, we are going to be using a pip, a lot size, a pip and a lot size. So when they say $1 for a 10K account, they are meaning a lot of currency. They are meaning units of currency, all right? So how do we calculate dollars in units or $1 in units? There are three types of lot sizes. We have a standard lot size, we have a mini lot size, and we have a micro lot size. Now, get me clearly on this one, because once you start trading and you make a mistake among these and how to calculate the units of currency using a pip or point in percentage, that is a disaster, and you can even lose your money. So we have a standard lot size. A standard lot size starts from 1 going up to 10, 11, and up to 50. We also have a mini lot size. Also starts from 1. The minimum is 1. And the micro lot, the minimum is 1. Meaning, one standard lot size, if it moves what we call one lot here, one standard lot size in money value is equals to $10. So if the market moves 10 pips, which is point in percentage, it is $100, because one standard lot size, the value of one standard lot size in dollars is $10. And one standard lot size in units is equals to 100, all right, 100,000 units of currency, which is where it's even indicated here. I hope it's making sense. Is it making sense what I'm saying? So when you look here,
yes,
10 standard lot size or $10 here is equals to, is equals to 100,000 lots or 100,000 units of currency. Okay, let me repeat that one. One standard lot size in units is 100,000 units of currency. And then in dollars is equals to $10. So which means if you open a trade and use 1.00 and then the market start moving, if it moves against your direction, 5 pips, you are in the negative of $50. Why? Because one standard lot size is equals to $10. And if it moves 5 times in your direction, you're going to be plus in the profit of $50 because 10 times 5 is equals to 50. That's what it means. So one standard lot size is equals to 100,000 units of currency. If you proceed and put 2 standard lot size is equals to 200,000 units of currency, where the value of 20 lot size 0.00 is equals to $20 per pip. That's what it means. So the second type of a lot size is what we call minimum. All right, because we have standard lot size, mini lot size, and micro lot size. So now we have another one here, which was micro lot size. Also is where one mini lot size is equals to $1 in money, and one lot size, if we convert it in units of currency, this is not that a difficult mathematics. You get more understanding what I mean, because I'll also record a video on how you can do this. And you don't need to calculate the way I am doing. I am doing this just for the sake of you understanding. When you start practicing on your demo, everything that you do on your demo, it will be calculated with you. You just have to be, it's simple and in less than seconds. So one mini lot size, we are on a mini lot size. The first place we're talking about standard lot size. Now, one mini lot size is equals to $1. And then if one standard lot size was 100,000 units of currency in units, what about one mini lot size? So if on one mini lot size in units is equals to 10,000 units of currency. All right, we have removed a 0 because a standard lot size is a 1 before the point, and then a mini lot size is 0 the moment you cross after the point,